Hey everyone, did you know that Skrill doesn't support direct transfers to PayPal? But don't worry, there's still a way to transfer money from Skrill to PayPal. Let me show you how. First of all, withdraw your funds from Skrill to your linked bank account. To do this, go to the withdraw section and choose your bank as the destination. Follow the steps to complete the withdrawal. Once the funds are in your bank, log into your PayPal account, go to the wallet section and add your bank account if it's not already linked. Now transfer the money from your bank account to PayPal. Simply go to the Add Funds section in PayPal, select the bank account and transfer the amount you need. Once the transfer is complete, your Skrill funds will now be available in your PayPal account. Keep in mind that this method takes a little more time as it involves transferring funds between bank accounts first. Also check for any fees that may apply from Skrill, PayPal or your bank. And that's how you can transfer money from Skrill to PayPal, although it's indirect. It works smoothly. Thanks for watching.